Hi there, it's Mike here from Michael Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought to take a moment to walk you around this 2016 reg Peugeot Partner automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the minute. This one's done 14,000 miles from new. It's a one owner vehicle, ex-Motability. It's converted by alloyed vehicles and has seating for 3 plus space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 seats in the front, so 1 in the rear. Also comes with an electric winch, that's what you can see in the centre there with the yellow ribbon on it. There's a lightweight ramp on the rear, which also has a fold flat function. Bear with me, I'll just show you that in the flat position. So there you go, got a nice flat boot for there if you need it. So quite a nice feature. And to fold it back out, pull that lever, grab the handle. Just pull it out, so nice and easy to operate. And obviously when you have the wheelchair or mobility scooter in, the ramp just stands up. Also comes with rear parking sensors, that's what the little black dot is there. Comes with privacy glass as well, so it keeps it a bit cooler, a bit more private. So that's your 3rd seat there in the rear. Vehicle's all lovely and clean and tidy. Being ex-Motability, it has the full service history. This particular vehicle as well as a Euro 6 compliant, and it's only £20 a year road tax. Also comes with LED daytime running lights in the front bumper. Take you around and show you the driver's side. There's your mileage, 14,935. That's what your radio CD player, your controls for your air conditioning, so your electric windows. And there's the control for the automatic. It also has on the steering wheel these little paddles, the minus and the plus, so you can go up and down the gears on there as well if you wish. It also has cruise control, you can see that. It also has a speed limiter on it as well, so you can set it at a limit. The vehicle won't go past that. Passenger airbag, driver's airbag. So you also got side airbags, front armrests, height adjustable driver's seat. That's all your electric mirrors, traction control, and the stop start on off button. As you can see, it comes with 2 keys. Also has Bluetooth for your mobile phone, so you can pair your phone up as well. And so that's the third seat there as well. So there you have it. If that's of interest, if you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.